These purchases that come through, they're from the retail,
Yeah,
and you have their
they're all in
information.
store.
You
Yeah,
have their information.
yeah.
You should have a retargeting on those people.
A retargeting on them specific or
Yep.
lookalikes.
No, them and lookalikes.
So I do have a retargeting on lookalike or on people that have like visited the site, interacted with the Facebook. I don't have a retargeting on them.
Get a retargeting on them because they're going to interact, they're going to engage, they're going to drop a comment saying, "Oh, I just purchased this."
Yeah, yeah.
And then that's going to allow you to then use that for even more data because you know they've already purchased. So it's going to build up your lookalike data and audience data. Then they visit the site and maybe they make some purchases. And that's even better because now you're getting even more data.
Right, right. Yeah, I
That'd be a
mean,
winner
that
instantly.
makes sense.
That'd be a winner instantly.
Hmm.
And if it's not, then there's something severely wrong.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out what could possibly be wrong. Looks
Yeah, so
like,
like you should
I don't know.
retarget the individuals who are making purchases if you have their contact information. Literally, the moment they
Yeah, I
make a
do.
purchase, they should be served an ad. See what
Okay.
I'm saying? Because like if they purchase once, they're likely to purchase twice.
Yeah, no, that's 100%. So just basically take the customer list, leave the values in there, upload it, then like build a retargeting for those audience. I actually already have the audience here because
Is
I
it
uploaded the
dynamic?
list, not the most recent. What?
It's not dynamic. You have to upload it every time.
No, it's not dynamic. Yeah, I have to upload it every time.
Yeah.
So that makes sense. So okay, I guess I'll yeah retarget them and do
Upload another one.
lookalikes.
Okay. Then
I'll
what
do
you can
that.
do is you can sort the file by people who only bought bathing suits and tops,
Uh-huh.
bottoms and tops.
The file doesn't have that data. I mean, yeah, I can get that data somehow. I don't have to figure out how to get that data, but yeah.
Organize it by tops and bottoms. Segment it,
Hmm.
then upload that only, and serve them the ad variations of the tops and bottoms with a
Okay.
lookalike.
Hmm.
And then split the people who did leggings only and the sports bras. Then upload those into a separate lookalike. That way you're
Right.
not piecing out your segments because they're two separate audiences, right?
Uh-huh.
Put all your extra smalls in one single audience. Throw up a
Okay.
lookalike on it.
Just get more specific.
Yeah, because then it's going to find people like that on Facebook as well.
Gotcha. How does
All
it
right.
find people like that? It
You can
knows
read
what.
their details, but I mean, whenever you have like, it's really weird, dude. Yeah, I
Yeah.
mean, if we brought all these people in a room, they would all be the exact same height if you had enough data to do it.
Uh-huh.
So I mean, like it works. Yeah. All right. Yeah, I mean, this here alone, I mean, check this out right here. I mean, every like 1 in 12 people, just alone retargeting the people who already purchased, every 1 in 12 will rebuy. I mean, that's enough data
Right.
for you alone to, that means, okay, spend $100, and as long as we reach 12 of those people, one will buy.
Uh-huh.
I mean, these are the things. You can just come and check. Your store's getting a lot of traffic. Okay, it might not be the right traffic. Let's go to analytics. Because retail works.
Yeah, retail works.
Yeah,
Retail's in a decent location.
really?
Hmm.
Dude, throw up a audience where you target anybody who has been to the location and put them on a anonymous list, retarget them, make it look like off the anonymous list. Just
Say that
geofence the
again.
entire building. Anybody
Anyone
who
who's been
walks in there, even if they
to.
purchase or don't purchase, you retarget them and put them in a lookalike. You'd be bankrolling hundreds of thousands through this thing.
Sorry, explain that again. do lookalike with customers that have been to the store or even haven't been to the
Just
store, but
walked in, walked out. Walked in, picked up a shirt, set it back down. Walked in, tried on a shirt, walked out. Walked in,
okay,
tried on a shirt, purchased it, walked out. Walked in,
but
bought
how
an
do you,
entire rack, walked out.
yeah, but the people that walk in, walk out, you don't have their email. The people that I
You
have
don't
their
need
email,
to. That's why it's called an anonymous list. You don't need to know them to show them. Do you need their email to speak to them in person?
no.
Exactly. Same thing online.
But
So
how do you explain how do you target someone you don't know their
let's do it,
email?
brother.
Yeah,
About to get real fancy in here.
please.
So we'll duplicate. Oh, wait, hold on. Let's just duplicate the one that works because I don't want to. Now, do you have the address of the retail location?
Yes. It is, I'll tell you right now. It's right here. You want me to put it? It just you can paste it.
All right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add the location. Paste it. Oh, and there it goes. Is that it?
Yeah.
All right. Now there's a lot of steps we have to take to do this first. Now we're going to go to 1 mile. And before we zone off the entire building, before we narrow this even further than 1 mile, first off, what is this area?
It's called Winwood. Yeah.
Are these all shops?
Yeah, it's like restaurant shops. Yeah.
So does the audience hang out more than just this store?
Well, there's actually another area that people hang out. It's not that area. It's a little bit further out. I'll show you on the map. It's very easy to see. Go one more time. The other area that people hang out are like right here.
Hmm.
It's uh
No, we
it's
don't
like
want
a
to
lot
touch
of
that.
fitness. Okay. So we
You can
want to
try
stay
that in a
here.
separate audience, but yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's see here. We're at 100,000 people already here. That's huge. For that 1 mile, 100,000. I mean, that's massive. Look at your conversions through the roof
Uh-huh.
because they're like, oh, your audience is here. They know. And
Yeah, it
that's
makes
women
sense.
only, 100,000. I mean, that's a lot. Okay, next steps are now, if we want to narrow this further, what we would do is we would go to exclude. Do you, I mean, if you know this area, like, would you say the 100,000 makes sense?
Yeah, I mean it's pretty dense area. It's a lot of young people. Yeah.
So do you want to exclude it to the store only or no?
I mean it's definitely a good area and it's good that people know, if this exists, to be honest.
Okay, so leave it, is what you're saying?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. All right, cool. Yep, then you just let's let's just do scroll up and do local, like you can name it like retail local. One mile.
Just save that. Publish it or
Yeah. But well, hold on. Before you publish, the next thing you need to do is wait, did you name it? Oh, there you go.
Yeah, it says.
Then you want to have those ads, right? Because you only have one. All right, here we go. This is the correct ad account. Shopify website customers, you should use that to make a lookalike. You should use that to make a lookalike. You should use that to make a lookalike. Shopify already made 2 lookalikes for you. You should use that for a catalog retargeting.
I did that.
Shopify value list, what is this? You upload that?
I made that. Value list has the how much the customers have purchased.
Yeah, you just use this as your lookalike audience. And it's auto going to update because if this was created by Shopify, it's always going to be updating the list size for you. What's there to worry about?
Yeah. Like lately I've just been ignoring it because I'm still hitting the results I want. And
Yeah, here's what Facebook says. During the learning phase, the delivery system is exploring the best way to deliver your ad set. So performance is less stable. So essentially, if you're always in that, you're going to see fluctuations in cost. And they're
gotcha.
usually worse, which is true. I mean, it is the case.
Yeah, yeah,
The exception could be for retargeting, right?
yeah, yeah.
And so if you put in a significant edit, or if you launch a new ad, or if you make a change to the ad set, or if you launch something into the campaign or anything like that, then you're going to be put into learning. Now, if you have, say, 3 performing ad sets that are all proven, and they each have 20, right? That's 60 total for the campaign, but each ad set has 20, and they're all in Learning Limited, and they're all proven. Just consolidate them into one, and then that'll push you out of Learning Limited because you'll be getting 60 under one ad set, and that'll be 50 more than the last 7 days.
Yeah, gotcha. That does make sense. That's a good idea. I might do that.
Yeah.